Some AI builds a website for you, but Wix Harmony builds it with you. Okay, this is where you start. Basically, it's creating the same way that you think. I type in, I need a site for my surf brand. It should feel adventurous and exciting. And now I'm looking at the business that I just described. It's all there. Pages, design, layout. But it doesn't stop there. Now I can continue vibe coding, just now with a web design expert right beside me. Meet Aria. She's not just another AI tool. She's your partner and your designer and your guide. She takes my prompt and in seconds, the whole site shifts. Now update all of the images to match the new vibe. Done. Everything is cohesive. It works the same if I have a business idea. Aria creates a complete new section to promote my product. Okay, now here's where it gets really interesting. This editor is hybrid, so I can edit hands-on with the details and add some personal touches. This panel, for example, is a huge library of business features and design flourishes that you can add with just a click. I'm gonna remove the background and then make the product slightly bigger. And then lastly, add a subtle parallax effect. They're small changes, but it really brings this section to life. And just like that, I've got my site ready to go live on Wix's secure managed infrastructure. This really is the new way to create. You don't need to choose between speed and control any longer. Get the best of both worlds with Wix Harmony.